Welcome to the Investment Process Channel. I'm C3 Christopher Campbell. This is a channel where we teach people how to create generational wealth through trading. Let's get into it. Let's see what's this week. So this is week 39. Let's see how we did last week and then get into the trading plan for this week. You know, I like to start from scratch and start fresh. Let's see here. Okay, my NAS. Let me see. Okay. Oh, that was a couple weeks ago, right? I didn't even get the most recent one. Let me see if that was it. Nope. I keep selecting the wrong one. Okay. I don't know. I do have the pictures, but well, actually, let's take a look at this here. How price came right back to this area right here, and you see how when we talk about ranges, there was opportunities for getting to a sell position, set your stop loss up here, and then write it back down. And it came right back to this area. You know, and that's funny. I you see this deal. This is 2 weeks ago, and this is why you have to be patient. Price came right back to it. It hit resistance here, and you see it hit support back right down here, and it bounced. So, and that's 2 weeks ago. What is this? This is the last week of September. So let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Let's go ahead and clean it up. Huge bearish candle for the month. Looking at it, it's coming all the way back down here to clean up that long wick. And on the weekly, again, you see resistance, but we also have some imbalance all the way down here. Don't know if it's going to get back down there anytime soon. It's right here. Right now, we're trying to work with what we have right now, which is on our weekly and daily. We have this support right here. And again, like I said, you can see it bounced as soon as it hit support last Friday. Going on 4 hour. Okay, perfect. This is what I like to see. So it bounced. So it hit support. It bounced. We have a weekly and daily support at this level at 14,693. Right now, you see it created a couple of imbalances on the 4 hour, which for me, again, this is selling week. Excuse me. This is the last week of September. Is it the last week? Close to it. No, it's the last week. So, best I could see it doing is coming back up here and this area, then dropping down for the rest of for the upcoming week. Let's see here. So you got a huge imbalance right here that it needs to clean up. It'll probably do it this week. And then where's the wick on here? Yeah. If we even look at this, it might come back down here. But we know definitely it's gonna, the candle body is gonna probably finish a little bit higher, just because we have these imbalances right here. You got your weekly right here. Got your weekly imbalance that needs to be cleaned up. And you click on the daily. That's broken up into a couple different imbalances. One here, then we got a third one up here. So just looking even at the weekly, it's highly likely that we're going to get price action back up to here. What level is this? What was our low here? This is 15,075. So we're definitely going to get price action back up to here before it continues down. Daily. Okay. So my thoughts are, you can ride it back up to this area once we get solid confirmation. Actually, we're getting a couple right side ranges. I will wait for it to test this area again before continuing up. But it's printing bullish right side ranges, so it's probably, again, they're supported 14,693, 14,693, and it should come back up into this area. Again, we have imbalances all the way back up to here. Right now, I would be more focused on these areas here. We still have a gap. Should price may come all the way back to this gap. Yeah. That's what I'd be looking at. I'd be looking at price come all the way back up into this gap. What I'm doing here, these are the other imbalances that, let's see if it cleaned up this one yet. It's 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Yeah. So we cleaned up. But again, I'll be looking at this area here. Yeah, I'm looking at this area here. And you got one more up here. This is daily. Yeah, we got one more up here. See why I said price may come all the way back up to there. And if price does, let's look at the monthly. Weekly. Daily. See if I make the boxes bigger. The reason why I'm doing this, 4 hour. Yeah. It's because I want to be able to see it on the monthly. There they are. Okay. So we're talking about price and what the candle is going to look like. Probably going to look to pull into this area here. So again, I don't know if it'll come back up here, then come all the way back down, or what. If it's going to take a couple of days, it's going to take a week. You see how NAS has been acting, and then yeah, it's highly likely it's going to continue down into these areas and clean this imbalance up before continuing up. Right now we got this high right here, which is a lower high. So okay, so the plan. Let's take a look at the plan. Yeah, plan is you can ride it back up here, but my thoughts are to catch a sell up in this area around. What is this? 15th, 345, 153.45, 153.45. I'll be looking for sales in that area. Get a nice confirmation, then for it to continue down. Again, it's up to you. I like it when I see too large, especially on daily, too large imbalance areas. Wait for price to come up there, just or vice versa. If it was a long, this gap here, got another gap here, got another. Excuse me, not gaps. We got imbalance here, and another imbalance here. So yeah, I'll be looking for price to come back into these areas. See that there? That's a small one. Yeah, I'd just be mainly looking for price to come into this area up here. if I was going to go long and I got a nice confirmation, this would be a take profit area, and I would let it ride to see if it, the rest of it ride. See if it will come all the way up here. So, all right. That's our daily. Excuse me. That's a NAS. Let's move on to gold. Gold, same thing. I don't know. My computer reset, so had some updates. So I probably lost last week's trading plan. Again, I have it saved on my PowerPoint, but I didn't want to have to recreate the whole thing because we're in a whole new week. So definitely looking at this, we had price break this high here. See, it came right back down into support here. This is gold. So right now gold is moving within this part right here. Looks like it might be a little imbalance. So let's go ahead and look at gold on the whole monthly. Again, it's been bearish. Nice small candle, nice size wicks. Lasted a month. Wouldn't be surprised if price just continues to move into these between these two this weekly. Between this range right here for the rest of the week. Not really breaking any highs or any lows. Let's clean this up and get into it. Alright, so weekly. Don't see any imbalances. Do see support here and here. Support, and then I see resistance up here. And you see price actually, it showed the resistance right up there. And then we have our support here. So on a daily, if you look at the daily, price came right back into that area. Found support, and that's why I said our range is like from here to here now. And I see price just working this way back and forth in that area. I don't see any highs. Well, that broke up. That broke it. But so did this. It's broke a low. I don't know. This time. Yeah, right now, I'm still seeing price coming back into this area. We've been waiting for it. Waiting for it patiently. So, even with that spike in price, I'm still looking at finding a sell point down to this area. It's been taking its time getting back there. You see, this is weeks. You had that huge imbalance, and over several weeks, it's been taking its time refilling that imbalance up. Right? The imbalance happened in a week. Of course, it takes weeks to fill it up. So yeah, right now, still looking at. Let me just take this out here. It's daily. And I'm still looking at price come all the way back into this area here. So man, when we take a look at this, I'm just looking, price would have to close below here for me to wait for it to come back and take a sell position down. Right now, we see support here. Need a 4 hour, at least a 4 hour close below here. 4-hour close. Maybe a 4-hour close below here. 1900. So 4 hour. Yeah. So here's a nice entry point. Like I said, great way to get in. We're looking at price. It's at a premium right now. Oh, hold on. I drew that wrong. Doesn't matter, but price is at a premium right now. Even with the current state that it's in, like I said, even with the consolidation and it's the end of the month, here's an opportunity right here on the 4 hour to get a sell position. Right there. That price come back up into this area and then sell off all the way down here to 1900. Again, price has been moving in within this area. My TP would probably be not 1900. It would be, let's just open 1903. My TP would be in 1903. Go down to the hour. Yeah. Jeez. Yeah, I'm looking at imbalance all the way up to here. Yeah, you need a nice, strong 30-minute. After going up, you need a nice 30-minute bullish, then 30-minute bearish candle to even thinking about taking a position to sell. But yeah, I'll be looking for price to come all the way back up to here, 1945, and then sell all the way down to 1903. Yep, that would be my plan for right now. Again, price is moving within this area here. Price is at a premium. Best place to get a sell position. Like I said, in this area here, you see that huge wick that left that imbalance behind on the this huge wick that left the imbalance behind on the 4 hour and then hourly. It's the best setup. I like to see those setups where the imbalance. Again, you have two of them. There was one here, got cleaned up, and there was one here. So yeah, I'll be waiting for price to come back and clean up the second imbalance, and then take it on down. Our monthly is showing bearish, and you see the nice support here. So yeah, this 1835, we've been waiting on it. As you can see, we've been waiting on it to get back. Okay, yeah, been waiting on it. Okay, so that's our plan for gold. Let's go over here to British pound, Japanese yen. Only thing, shorts that I ain't taking no shorts no more now. Oh, let's look at this here. Nope, nothing. Okay, here's the old stuff. Zoom out. This on the hourly. Let's go to a daily. Zoom back in. So you see our setup. We had that pointed out for our highs and lows, and see price came right back into those imbalances. It kept on going and found support right here. Told you, it's like clockwork. You see I have them marked, and price popped back up, slammed right back down into this area and passed it. It passed it. And you see exactly where it stopped, right? checks and balances, man. Checks and balances. It has support right there on the daily. Let's see, when is the weekly? Eh. Like I told you, in this no wick here. Playing with fire. Playing with fire. Yeah, so let's take a look at how we can participate. Clean it up. Let's go to monthly. Bearish monthly for British pound, Japanese yen. Weekly had a new high. Let's pull back into this area where that wick candle with quote unquote no wick. And we got all this here. I don't know. I'd be a little patient. Like again, I tell people, no position is always a position as well. Be a little patient. This here, that's some support for you. So with this, yeah, need to see the 4 hour. Imbalance here, hourly. Yeah, if we don't get a confirmation either way, I need just be 100% honest with you guys. Hold on, let's do this. Where's my range at? I want to say my range is from here to here. However, I'm gonna mark this is my range. This is my range. So how do we participate in that? Coming all the way down to here. Look for some kind of pullback. Yeah, if we don't get a close below here, a 4 hour, nice 4 hour close below. What is this here? If we get a 4 hour close below here, 181.36, then I would look for it to continue down. If not, it would have to break this high here. So right now, price is moving within this area. If you get a confirmation that price is not going to break this area, I will ride it back up to this area here, because this is still an imbalance. Even with these like wicks here on this 4 hour, so there's some imbalance right here that hasn't been cleaned up. That's the kind of things I'm talking about. You know, we need to stay cognizant of. See? Boom. Tippy top. Maybe not. I'll just be patient. There's opportunities here. Let's see how this week starts out. Then we'll revisit this. But right now, yeah, price is moving within this price range right here. 180.71 or 72 and 183.48. Price is moving within that range. How to participate again? Nothing in this says buy right now. Nothing's saying buy. Everything is saying sell. So I'm just looking for price to confirm and create another one of these confirmations. Bullish and a bearish candle that is continuing down. Get another lower high. Excuse me, higher low. Another higher low, and then let it continue down, and you just ride it out. Ride it out. Where would it go to again? Yeah, my thoughts are first here, 180.48, and I will close out. That would be my TP. I will close out the majority of my position, and hopefully it runs all the way down here to, what is this, 178.37. So that's the trading plan for the week, guys. Thanks for joining again. Again, I have some biomedical stocks advice coming up. Tune in. Make sure you stop by the channel. Have a good one.